I want to talk about my Cuisinart tea kettle. I've had this for about 15 years, and it's gotten a lot of work over those 15 years. I usually have tea every afternoon, and this is the preferred method that I use to warm up my water for that tea. So obviously, probably my favorite feature is the durability. Like I said, 15 years, and it still looks phenomenal. No issues whatsoever with any of the mechanical parts. It still works exactly like you'd expect it to. And you can hear there the whistle is great. So if you're stepping away for a moment to the other room, you know when it's ready for you. And you can see right there, it makes a great cup of tea every time I use it. If you need a new kettle for your kitchen, please click on the link in the description below.